Hi, my name is Richard Zulu. I am the team lead at Outbox. We are an entrepreneurship support organization supporting small and growing businesses with the capital, the knowledge, the infrastructure, and the people they need to succeed. Key among our portfolio are tech startups, largely in the areas of agriculture, FinTech, and public health that we're supporting. For a while now, a lot of our startups have struggled with access to infrastructure, most especially hosting infrastructure in data centers and cloud services. This has likely been attributed to the limited availability in terms of choice where their products or services could be hosted, which has largely led to increased costs with regards to how they utilize data centers and cloud services. Through this engagement with Raxio, our goal has been to unlock opportunities where our local startups can get to locally co-locate their products or services, have access to infrastructure that is secure, conforms to the laws of Uganda, and also enables them to quickly go to market.
The event was very interesting. We got to meet young innovators and young entrepreneurs with lovely ideas. One of them had an idea of is running like an Uber of ambulances. It's the first of its kind that I've had. It shows that they are cutting their teeth into innovation. So it was good for Raxio to let these young innovators know how Raxio could be helpful to their businesses and the growth of their businesses.
This event in partnership with Outbox, and I hope there are many more like this. From this event, I've discovered that there are so many startup techs that have challenges. They have a lot of constraints that are financial, technical, and this is where we come in. We are running a promotion from, it started already, 1st November 2020. It ends on 31st December. That we are extending to startups. You can get both a rack with 500 watts or half a rack with 1 kilowatt and a free cross connect. So you can also reach us on sales@raxio.co.ug for more details about this promotion.
On our end, we're very excited about this engagement and look forward to co-creating various products and services with Raxio that attend to the needs of each and every digital startup that we support in the Ugandan ecosystem.